When writing using the book template, you may find yourself wanting your passages to be double-spaced to adhere to a more standard publishing format. By default, passages are single-spaced. However, we can easily change this to double through the Customize Format menu. If you go to the menu along the top of your screen and click Customize, and if you aren't seeing this menu along the top of your screen, you may be in our simplified format, in which case you can click this 3-line menu and have all of the same options here. So whichever layout you're using, locate the Customize menu, and then go to Format. So once we're in the Format menu, we're going to focus in the line type section. If you have clicked into a passage line before, it should automatically have passage line selected to edit. And we're just going to go to this double space icon here and toggle it on. Not only will all of your previously written passages be double spaced, but anything you write going forward will also be double spaced. So we see we've pasted some text in here to simulate writing, and it has automatically been double spaced.